Hey guys, I'm Allie. Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I am a Los Angeles-based hairstylist and I get 1,001 questions from my girls. Where do I get my nails done? How do I do it? And what's the trick? So I filmed a video with my nail girl. Her name is Lisa Kon, located here in Studio City, California. She is opening her own location on July 1st, so you guys can get your nails done by her. Go ahead and keep watching to see how it all goes down. Alright you guys, I've never done a voiceover. This is so freaking weird, just watching my fingers back and then go ahead and giving you guys a tutorial, just watching it as I go. So let me go ahead and talk through as best as I can. Lisa is removing my nail polish. At this point my fingers have been on, well obviously my fingers have been on my entire life, but the nail polish has been on for about 6 weeks at this point. She just went ahead and she took away some of the length that I had there. Love that part. Oh my god. Okay, and then she is filing away the excess length. I love to do like a squoval. No, not really squoval. It's kind of like that almond shape, just because I do hair 24/7, and if I had little square fingers, my clients would not be very happy when they start to grow out and snag their hair. She makes me check the length before we even move forward. This part might be my actual favorite because Lisa cleans up underneath my fingers because I do hair all the time without wearing gloves, and then it looks like I was just digging through the dumpster. Lisa is by far the biggest perfectionist, and when I say that, I mean that like 100%. But I'm not mad because I'm picky with my nails and I appreciate the symmetry and the detail that goes into it. Now this part, you guys, now this is the gold. She pushes back my cuticles so far that by the time that they grow out in 2 weeks, they look like they're brand spanking new. Now, I'm not exactly sure what her little cuticle milk stuff is, but let me tell you, my fingers look like a baby's bottom when she puts it on. Alright, here goes nothing. So this is actually going to be my first coat of nail polish, like first coat of official nail polish. Now get you a nail girl that doesn't just slap on some sloppy nail polish in 3 quick swipes. Look at the detail! It is a little hard to tell, but Lisa goes and she does each finger individually, and then she flips them over, and I swear, I don't know, I think it's because she doesn't want me to look like I have little chunky dunks, but my fingers look so natural, it is unreal. So I've been going to Lisa for exactly a year now, and I've always done something super basic and boring. So this was the day that I promised that I would let her do something crazy. So she's buffing my fingers, and we're about to do some crazy ass neon ombre. Pause. Can we take a second to look how freaking mesmerizing this is when she puts it in this little gadget and speeds it up? I really don't even have anything cool to say right this second because I'm so mesmerized at how she did this. I literally sat there and I was a micromanager just watching the whole thing play out, and I was like, this could not have turned out any better than it did. So we're on to our final coat. This is to seal the deal. Like I said, I go literally 6 weeks. Sometimes I've gone 7 without seeing Lisa. So I swear it might be her products and it might be the Russian manicure, but my nails last. The longevity is there. I never come back with cracks or breaks. She is so talented, and she's finally opening her own place on July 1st. If you are in Los Angeles, you guys need to see her.